Hey everyone, Bruce Ward's here. We're an amazing bunch now, eh? We're a good group of people right now trying to find out what the heck is going on up there on the moon. Thanks for appreciating it, guys, stopping by, commenting. What are we looking at? We're looking at the moon, obviously, three times in 3 different days, 18th, the 19th, and the 20th over top. Now take a look at the two bottom, the 18th on the left, 19th on the right. Look at how Mare Serenitatis on each side is different. Yet I'm at the same exact angle, and no, there's no turning around of the camera. Obviously, I'm not stupid, and I have a line lined up. My DSLR is permanent. It's not something I'm going to take on and off to get dust in. It's there for the rest of its life of the camera. And at the back of the telescope, I've been taking photos and I've been looking at the differences. And here's Eratosthenes crater, just looking, showing you the line of light, how it's moving over. So how many miles did we see this line of light move over? Probably moved over about 100 miles, maybe in 24 hours. That's other little things that I'm trying to notice the differences, because at one point when there's a major change, it can so easily be seen by labeling all the footage. So I did it. I got the lunar wave. It really was a lunar wave. I'll tell you the name of Crow 777's video. I believe it's Lunar Wave Winter 2017. I'll say it at the end of the video so that you guys can go see that the similarities are incredible. And he sees it. I think there's more than one video because, and for all of you who don't know, check out Crow's videos. I think there's more than one video that he has of the lunar wave. It could be one, two, or I think two, three, maybe even four videos. But maybe I'm wrong. Maybe he's made more. But that I've seen, and in particularly the winter 2017 lunar wave video, is exactly what I caught, and we can see it pretty close up here in the video. So we'll look at this footage. Some nice close-ups, guys. By the way, during the 19th, the 18th, the 19th, and the 20th of August. And of course, at the end of the video, we're going to see the spectacular lunar wave that I caught on August 20th. It was a ripple effect of 3 lunar waves. You look up lunar waves online, they talk about shock waves, that it's a conspiracy too, and then some people are saying that it's the holographic image. I'm telling you, it really does look holographic, but either way, look at it, check it out for yourself, and thanks for viewing, everyone. Before I put on some music, let me tell you that we're zooming into the Apennine Mountains, Montes Apenninus, to the crater at the end, which is Eratosthenes crater. Now, say to yourself, this is only 10,000 feet less than Mount Everest, guys. It's very high peaks. Can you imagine the height? To give you an idea of the size, it's always cool to know what we are looking at, and these supposedly would be mountains that are just under the height of Mount Everest. Lunar wave coming up near the end of the video, guys. Lunar Wave Winter 2017. Type that video in, and this really is the same thing we're seeing. We can actually see it pretty close here. I mean, we can see it going over Clavius crater, and we see a ripple of 3 lunar waves. I looked up lunar waves on Google, and everyone's telling us that, it's a conspiracy. And then there's Crow 777's information there, but before that, there's all these people trying to discredit that lunar waves are shock waves, and maybe they are. I'm not here to try to, I can't confirm that. I'm just telling everyone that there are lunar waves. I mean, I didn't even know lunar waves was a thing that people were trying to confirm. I mean, that's what we're looking at. A clear lunar wave after lunar wave after lunar wave, 3 lunar waves. It's a ripple of 3 lunar waves, and they're very intense. And here I'm going to rock it back and forth for you. I'm going to go back, we're going to go forward. But then I'll do shorter intervals so you can really see it going back and forth. And there it is now. It's going over top. Now it's going back downwards, always over Clavius crater. I'm doing it, rocking it from left to right for you. I'm reversing the clip and just advancing it and reversing it. And we're seeing it. It literally is a lunar wave. I should have announced that in yesterday's video that it was a lunar wave. And I'm almost upset that I didn't, because it is. And I'm looking into some of the theory of the lunar wave, and there is so much different theories out there of what people are saying, and that's not really important. You hear people fighting out there, but I mean, Crow got one freaking amazing some evidence. I'd never seen anyone else post it, and this is the first time in this footage of August 20th. Yeah, August 20th, 2018. I caught the lunar waves. It's a wave like we'd see probably after a nuclear bomb